Hey teachers, and welcome to Curipod. I'm just going to show you some of the few things you can do to use Curipod magic to create some great lessons. So now I'm inside the creator. I'm starting off, I go here to generators, and I'm starting off, I want to create a brain break for 5th grade. I press do magic. Here's a brain break, it's a drawing activity, and I'll add it. I'll go back to my generators, and now I want to test out explain it like I'm 5. And I want to explain kinetic versus potential energy. And do magic. And it creates some. And here's an easy explanation of kinetic versus potential energy. I'll go back and I want a would you rather activity. My topic is animal habitats, and I'll do magic. Now it creates a would you rather question you can use for the topic animal habitats. These are some ways we have so many generators here. You can have fun, generate really interactive, engaging lessons. We also have an AI accelerator program open for applications to schools and districts, which will be an amazing opportunity for everyone to learn more about AI. Thank you everyone for trying out AI and have a great session.